Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video, which is about how to fix iPhone app not downloading on any iPhone from App Store. So, guys, I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So fix this problem, uh, then fix this issue. You will be then first solution. You have restart your iPhone, then volume up button and volume down button and press the power button. When not increase your power button when you see appears logo and Apple logo on your screen, then your mobile is restarted and then your problem will be fixed. If there are number first solution is not working, then second solution, open the setting and then click on Apple ID, then click on sign out, and a few seconds you sign in the Apple ID and your problem will be fixed. Other is then open the again setting and then click on screen time and then scroll up, then click on contents and privacy. If there are content and privacy is off, not be able, they are not working, then you turn on and then 100% working this uh, functions, then you click on allowed app and then you will be allow all app and then back and then content and restrictions, then click and then app and then you must be allow all app and your problem will be fixed. If there are solution is not working, then you again open the setting and then click on App Store and then click on app download and then you click on allow always, yeah, allow ask or allow ask. If you want there to off allow always ask and then your problem will be fixed. Then 100% then the solution working on your iPhone. So if guys, uh, hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.